In today's video, let me show you how to fix Spotify cannot play song. So if you're having issues playing songs within Spotify, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you can do in these situations is try to clear out the app cache. So what you can do is just hop out of the Spotify app, tap and hold it, and you'll be able to see the eye icon being displayed. You can simply tap on this option. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear data. You can simply tap on this option, and you can also tap on the clear all data. If you tap on clear all data, you'll also get logged out of your account. So make sure you log in back and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists, the other thing that you can also try out is try to update the application. So just head over to the Play Store or the App Store depending upon your device, search for Spotify, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. Once you do these two steps, you should be able to fix the Spotify cannot play song error. I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.